Hey everybody, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with a kind of overview of the Valentine's Day kits that we did not release this year. So prior to this year, I just wanted to go through and show you some different options. You may have missed them, you may be new to planning. You could always go on the site and go to shop and then you can sort by Valentine's or any other holiday, or you could put it in the search bar if you're looking for something specific. But let's just go through and show you some different kits here. So this one here is XOXO. I also did do this for, I think, Halloween, Christmas, New Year's, and Thanksgiving maybe. But if you want to see any other ones, like maybe like summer or spring, let me know in the comments down below. This one is super cute. I think it would be perfect with a purple or pink hollow or lavender hollow foil. The next one here is Till Death, which this would look so fun with the punk bundle. But I love this. I actually might reuse this. I might just keep this. It's really pretty, or like a dark red or sparkly red or like a dark purple or sparkly purple, or that like black and blue foil that just came out. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is more of like kind of a like gothic, more dark Halloween, not Halloween, but it gives Halloween vibes. Valentine's kit. I'm just like in awe. I might need to keep her. Then there is Sweethearts, which is really, really pretty. Kind of like almost vintagey. Or I think this one looked really pretty with rose. I think I might have used rose whenever I used it. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The next one here, I think this came out last year, is Starcross. I used gold and champagne lights with this one, and it is so stinking pretty. I love it. I used it for my anniversary week, and it was just gorgeous. I also love this one, too. I think I used a pink foil with this last year. This is Pillow Talk. And it's just really, really, really pretty. And I think I came out with the reformat of this, right? This year, like the recolor. Pretty sure. Then there is Our Song, which I believe this is exclusive art. So this is great for anniversaries and things like that, or just Valentine's Day in general. Another one that I love. I feel like this one I could reformat soon. Then there is Netflix and Chill, which is probably the kit that has the most reformats of all time and was probably one of the most popular ones. It's just like a hangout and like, I don't know, like watch Netflix, chill, you know, all the things. So that one is an oldie but a goodie. And then Love You, which is a really pretty like marble, black, white, and pink kit. This one would look really pretty with black foil. I think that'd really pop against that. Then there is Love Potion, kind of like a witchy, florally Valentine's Day set. I think this one would look really pretty with like a sparkly pink or rose, or like a mixture of the two, or like a dark red. This one is Little Valentine. This one is more like kitty Valentine's Day art. This one is exclusive art. And also the Netflix and Chill one is as well. But this one, I don't know if this one is. I don't think it was. But also I don't remember. Who knows? Anyways, so this one really, really pretty with sparkly red. I think that that is like the perfect choice for this, or like a rose, but I think sparkly red. And then there is also, what is this one called? Heartbreaker. This one would look really pretty with a dark purple foil, like a burgundy almost, or like gold and champagne gold mixed together, or rose, or like pixie rose from Playing the Hand would be really nice with that one. And then there is Absinth, which is another one like kind of like a darker, more spookier Valentine's Day set. Another one that would look really pretty with like a dark red or a black, but also be nice with a gold, matte bronze kind of combo. I think that'd be really pretty. This one here is called Be Mine. I love this one. It's just so like cute. Just like sweet, cute. You just want to like pinch somebody's cheeks. I think this would be really pretty with sparkly red or rose. That's kind of like the gist of a lot of them. And then the last one here is Cherry. And this one is really like, it's more subdued, not like super Valentine's Day heavy. I think this one would be really pretty with a rose foil, or again, like a burgundy. So those are all of the Valentine's Day kits that we have in shop that weren't released this year. We did release quite a few this year as well. And obviously there's a lot of kits in shop that also, if you add like some heart foil to, could totally give Valentine's Day vibes. But that is everything for this video. I hope y'all liked it, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye!